Want to give your product a futuristic sci-fi vibe? Let's create a stunning hologram effect using Adobe After Effects. Select your logo layer and enable 3D. Position it in your scene as you like. Next, search for the fill effect and apply it. Set the color to a light blue tone. Then, search the Venetian blinds effect. Add it to your layer. Then, adjust the settings as shown to create subtle scanline interference. After that, apply the glow effect and tweak the values until you get the desired brightness and softness. Let's add glitch effect. Search and apply wave warp, set wave type to noise, adjust the height and width as needed, and set the direction to 0. Finally, change the layer's blend mode to screen for a semi-transparent look. Then again, add glow. Set a smaller radius to enhance the holographic shine. Hide the main layer and select the background. Go to Window, Tracker. Then choose Track Camera. In the Effects Control panel, expand the Advanced section and select Detailed Analysis. After Effects will begin analyzing your scene to track the camera's movement. Once tracking is complete, select a few points on a flat surface and choose Create, Null and Camera. Move your logo layer to the top. It will automatically attach to the tracked camera once enabled. Pre-compose the logo. Choose Move All Attributes into the new composition. Then, switch the pre-comp to 3D and open the position settings. Enable separate dimensions. Click the stopwatch next to Y position and move along the timeline, adjusting the value to create smooth vertical motion. Done. Here's the final result. Visit the link in the description to explore more After Effects features and subscribe for more creative tricks.